We are here at 233 Nottingham Drive in Centerville, Massachusetts, showing this ranch which was built by Daisy Homes in 1972, and this one is loaded. It has central air, gas heat, a whole house generator. The Anderson windows are just 5 years old, all the way around, windows and doors. Fenced backyard, irrigation, gas fireplace, hardwood floors, full heated basement. She's loaded. Let's take a look. Looking here at the pressed concrete walkway, new steps. It was recently painted inside and out. Let's look inside. Warm up those cold winter nights with your gas fireplace in your living room with the Anderson bay windows, hardwood floors, wainscoting, recessed lighting that are all on dimmers. It's a beautiful home. The living room opens up and flows nicely into the dining room. Which flows into the kitchen. Now that's an electric stove, but the house is heated with gas, and the gas lines have been run to the back of the stove, so if you wanted to make the conversion, you could do it just in a heartbeat. This door behind the refrigerator goes to the heated two-car garage and down to the basement. From the dining room, there's a hallway which leads to the master bedroom. Once again, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, all in dimmers. And there's a half bath off the master. Down the central hallway, you have a full bath. There's another room which is set up as a bedroom with a slider out to the back door, and we'll go out there momentarily. And there's a full bedroom here. This room is set up as a bedroom, but the sellers have used it as a home office. We go out the slider where we find the stamped concrete patio. Very large fenced yard. It's 0.37 acres. Irrigated, level, clear, fenced. Here's your Generac whole house generator. The fencing is set up so that at this end you can put a vehicle through that double gate. There's a big shed which is beautiful. There are awnings so that you can get out of the sun. Of course, you've got your outdoor shower, and there is a setup. They used to have a hot tub, so it's all plumbed and wired for a hot tub if you choose to have one. It's at 233 Nottingham Drive in Centerville. The owners are motivated, and we would love to show it to you.